Let's count them through one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stegosaurus! Well done, boys and girls. You know what that means? You need to give yourself a high five.
This is Jack Union.
Hi, boys and girls. So now, for puzzle time, we're going to do the Stegosaurus.
This is Jack Union.
Yeah, another dinosaur. That's right, a dinosaur. Can everyone say dinosaur? That's right, dinosaur. Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
This is Jack Union.
And this one is called a Stegosaurus. That's a really silly name, but it's what it's called. Stegosaurus. So let's break that name down. Stegosaurus. Okay? Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Now you try. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. And put it all together. Stegosaurus. And now sing it. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus.
This is Jack Union.
Can you do a dinosaur roar? Yeah! Whoa! Scary! Silly Jack Union. Okay, so it's time to start the puzzle. Let's make all the bits fall out with a roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is Jack Union.
Now, we're going to start with number 1. So, guys, number 1. Everyone say number 1. Number 1. That's good. So, let's find number 1. Is this number 1? Is that number 1? No, that's not. That's number 3. Silly Jack Union. Oh, this one. Is that number 1? That's number 1, isn't it? Well done, boys and girls. Okay, so where does number 1 go? Does it go down here? Like that? No. Is that not? Oh, is that its tail? That's where the tail goes. Where does the head go? The tail is here. The head must be at the opposite end. Everyone say opposite. That's right. Tail is at the opposite. Opposite. Which means the other end. So the opposite end. So the head is going to go in. Oh, I missed. In there. Because it's got the shape of the smooth round edge. And there's a smooth round edge there. And that's the front where the head goes. So that's the head.
This is Jack Union.
What's after number 1? Number 2. That's right, number 2. There we go. Number 2. I've got it. Number 2. So now we're going to put number 2 in here. Where does number 2 go? Let's see. I think it might go next to number 1. What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, let's try that. There we go. Number 2 next to number 1. Yeah, it goes straight in. Look at that.
This is Jack Union.
Now, what's after number 2? That's right, number 3. Got 1, 2, and we need number 3 next. So number 3. Where are you, number 3? That's not number 3, is it? Is that number 3? It is. It looks like an E to me. An E. Like an E, an E. Oh no, we're doing numbers, aren't we? Silly Jack Union. So that maybe that number 3 might be upside down. That's right, upside down. Everyone say upside down. Upside down. Let's turn it round the right way up. There we go. Now it's the right way up. Everyone say right way up. Yeah, that's right. So let's turn it the right way up. There we go. It's the right way up. Okay, now number 3 is going to go here. Is that right? No? Oh! Silly Jack Union. Doesn't go there. It must go next to number 2, because then we have 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Oh, it's gone in. Look at that. Well done, boys and girls.
This is Jack Union.
Let's do what's after number 3? So we've got number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, number 4. Well done. You guys are great. Well done. So number 4, where's number 4? Oh, that looks like number 4. Is that number 4? Yeah, that's number 4. Let's put number 4 here. Is that where number 4 goes? No? Oh, silly Jack Union. Okay, so we've got number 1, 2, 3. I think maybe number 4 goes next to number 3. Let's try and see if it fits. Oh, it's fit straight away. Well done, boys and girls. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Well done.
This is Jack Union.
So, what's after number 4? Number 5. Number 5. Oh, look, there's number 5. I picked it up straight away. There we go. Okay, so where's number 5 going to go? At this end? No. On top? No. Oh, over here? Next to number 4? Yeah. Yeah, of course it does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. And in it goes. Yeah, well done, guys.
This is Jack Union.
Do you know what the next number is after number 5? Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 is next. So let's get the number 6. It's a tail, so it needs to look like a tail. This looks like a tail to me. Look, there's a tail. Doesn't that look like a tail? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Number tail. So we're going to put that one. Does the tail go at the head? The tail at the head? No. At the where? The opposite end? That's right. The opposite end. So everyone say it together. The opposite end. The opposite end. And then it goes next to number 5. Yeah. Well done, boys and girls. We're doing really good today. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. We've done the whole body so far. Well done, boys and girls. You know what that means? You need to give yourself a high 5.
This is Jack Union.
Okay, look, let's count them together one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. One more time. A little bit louder this time. We count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down there, the tail, number 6. That's right, boys and girls. Well done.
This is Jack Union.
Everyone say, arr. Yeah, arr. Woo, you're scaring me. Well done, good job. So we need to make it a Stegosaurus. Everyone say, Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Well done. So we need to now get the bits on top. And we've got all these bits to choose from. And they've all got the same shape. So all of them could go anywhere, couldn't they? But we need to do it in number order. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's after number 6? Number 7. Yeah. Good job, boys and girls. Number 7. So there's our number 7. There we go. And let's see. Now, just to check, we're going to see what way 8 is going. So we've got 8 here as well. Oh, we've got 8 there. And that goes up that way. So if you can see, we've got 7 that's kind of, if you hold it the right way, Because if we try and put it here, I don't think that's going to work. Look, it doesn't fit in very well there. It does, but it doesn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn number 7 so it's up the right way. That's it, the right way up. And then this bit is sticking out there, which means it's probably going to go in there. So let's put it in there, and all that fits perfectly. So we're going to count all the way through here, and we're going to start again here and work our way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we start again here, but on 7, and we go upwards here. 7, this will be 8, 9, and 10. So let's count to 7 first of all. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's right. Count a bit louder. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the tail. Go back this way. 7.
This is Jack Union.
Now we need, what number do we need now? Yeah, 8. That's right. So we need the number 8. So where's number 8 gone? Let's have a look, see. Ooh, is that number 8? That one? No. Oh, that's number 10. Silly Jack Union. Say silly Jack Union. So we need number 8. There we go. So number 8, that one there. Yes, number 8. And it goes, oh, it's that way up. Number 8 is like that. So we're going to keep that angle and we're going to place it in exactly how it is. Oh, it will fit in there then. There we go, number 8.
This is Jack Union.
Let's count them through one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, good job. But this time really loud, like a dinosaur. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, oh, it's nearly fallen out. Whoopsie.
This is Jack Union.
Now we need another number. What's after number 8? And we're going to do it in number order, remember? So we can't put number 10 in there, can we? Because that won't be in the right number order, will we? So we need number, what's after 8? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. There we go. Hold 9 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Hold 9 fingers up. Count them out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. So let's put number 9 in. Now let's hold this up the right way. 9, like that. There we go. Number 9. And we're going to slip that just in the right angle. There we go. Like that one. Now we've got 9 pieces.
This is Jack Union.
Let's count through to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You count really loud this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back over here. 7, 8, 9. Yeah.
This is Jack Union.
But it's not done. We're missing one more piece. So what comes after number 9? What comes after 9? I can't hear you. 10. That's right. Well done. And there's our number 10. Look. Number 10. So we're going to put number 10 in the only space available. There we go. Number 10.
This is Jack Union.
Now we have our Stegosaurus, but let's count them to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Now let's do it a bit loud all together. Oh, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back over here. 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go, look. 10 pieces of the Stegosaurus.
This is Jack Union.
Everyone do a dinosaur sound. That's right. A bit louder. Ooh, you scared me. That's a good job. Well done. So guys, you know what we need to do now? You need to give yourself a high five. Well done, boys and girls. Good job.
This is Jack Union.
So this is a dinosaur. It's called a Stegosaurus. Let's say that word again because it's a long word. Here we go. Stegosaurus. 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 Now you say it. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Well done, boys and girls.
This is Jack Union.
Let's count the numbers in a dinosaur way. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. A Stegosaurus.
This is Jack Union.
Well done, boys and girls. We've finished our puzzle and we've made a Stegosaurus. Give yourselves a high five. Well been, Jack Union. Everyone say Jack Union. Good job, boys and girls. Good job.
This is Jack Union. This is Jack Union.
Hey, if you want to see some more, then click to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Jack Union. Bye, bye, bye. Guess who's back? Jack.
This is Jack Union.